Hello and welcome to the Pannonic Mechanic. Today I want to show you how I replaced the air filter and the spark plugs at my Hyundai Accent. You don't need too much tools for that and too much knowledge. It's easy to do. For the spark plugs, a ratchet, a nut, especially for the spark plugs. It has a rubber ring here in it, so you can put in the spark plugs and they don't fall out. Maybe a pair of pliers. And for the air filter, you need on your hands. I have here 4 clips on the air filter. This one, second one, and 2 on the back side. Open those clips. Then pull up the air filter box. And remove the air filter. In my case, that's a permanent air filter. It doesn't need to be replaced. It only needs a little bit cleaning from time to time. And as I see, I should do that soon. It's a little bit dirty, but I will do that later. So put it back. Assemble the box again and close those clips. Ready, that was the air filter. At the spark plugs we must remove the connectors. You can do that by hand or with a pair of clippers. The wires have a number on them, the number of the cylinders, so it's not really easy to put them back wrong, and they don't have the same length. Now we need our best friend, a little bit compressed air. As you can see, the spark plugs are mounted in an angle, and that's one thing that you must take care of. You should screw in the spark plugs in this angle, otherwise you can damage the thread. When I remove the spark plugs, I lay them down sequentially. So if there should be one problem with the car and you want to check the spark plugs, you can say at which cylinder you have the problem. So as you see, they look all the same. They are not black. They're all okay, so I can mount the new spark plugs and there's nothing else to do. Here's a new one beside an old one. I turn them in only by hand. I don't use the ratchet. And that should go really easy. So now tighten them well. again. That was it. Put back the cables. As I told you, it's easy to put them back right. First cylinder, second cylinder, but one, third one. So we don't need that anymore. You can start the engine now. So I'm ready now with replacing the spark plugs and check the air filter. If you like this video, maybe you can give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.